Hello everyone, Brian here of Tech. And I'm not even exaggerating when I say this. Once you start using a second screen, going back to just a laptop feels painful. Like seriously, editing on one side, reference tabs on the other, meetings on one screen while replying to messages on another, it just makes everything easier. And lately, this has been the setup I've been bringing around with me. This is the TechLife Portable Monitor 15.6 inches. What I like about this is that it solves a very real problem without overcomplicating things. Sometimes you just need more screen space. Whether you're working in a cafe, editing videos at home, attending online meetings, studying, or even gaming after work, having a second display instantly makes your setup feel more productive. And since this is portable, you're not locked to one desk setup anymore. The monitor itself is surprisingly slim and lightweight, at only around 710 grams. So carrying it around with a laptop really isn't a hassle. At first, I thought it would feel bulky inside the bag, but honestly, it's closer to carrying an extra notebook or tablet. It also has this aluminum body which makes it feel more premium than expected at this price point. Then out of the box, you also get this magnetic stand cover which doubles as protection and a stand. So setup is quick. Open it, place it beside your laptop, connect the cable, and that's basically it. And speaking of setup, this is one of my favorite parts because it's genuinely convenient. With compatible devices, you can literally use just one USB-C cable for both power and display output. No complicated setup process, no installing random software. It's basically plug and play. Port-wise, you're getting two USB-C ports, a mini HDMI port, and even a 3.5mm audio jack. So whether you're connecting a laptop, a gaming console, or even headphones or speakers, the setup is pretty flexible. I tried it with a laptop setup, then with a gaming console, and honestly, being able to use the same monitor for both work and gaming is really nice. The monitor is compatible with PS5, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and even compatible smartphones. Now for the display itself, you're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with wide viewing angles and support for 16.7 million colors. For productivity and entertainment, the viewing experience is actually solid. The slim bezels also help make the screen feel larger and more immersive. I personally like using it while editing because I can keep the timeline on one screen and previews or folders on the other instead of constantly switching windows every few seconds. And for casual content consumption, the display looks vibrant enough for watching videos or streaming shows. TechLife also added HDR support, a 1000:1 contrast ratio, built-in dual speakers, plus low blue light technology which is useful especially during longer work sessions. Honestly, I think the biggest strength of the TechLife monitor isn't just about the specs, it's the convenience. It's one of those accessories that quietly improves your workflow once you start using it regularly. Especially if you're someone constantly multitasking, working remotely, or moving between places. Having portable second monitor just makes sense. The TechLife Portable Monitor 15.6 inches is priced at 7,999 and there's also a 500 pesos discount available across online stores like Shopee, TikTok Shop, and Lazada. After using a dual screen setup like this, I genuinely don't think I can go back to working on just one screen anymore.